Hello, welcome to the training video for how SMS users can use SMS Pro's Employee Performance Monitor module. The Employee Safety Monitor is designed for you to monitor your safety performance, meet your organization's requirements, and ensure that you are prepared for performance reviews. In this module, you can see the number of times you have logged in and reported issues, see the various tiles that management is using to assess your safety performance, see your corrective actions performance and any outstanding corrective actions that you haven't completed, and see if you need to complete your yearly review of any company documents. As a user, the first thing you will want to do is set the time frame for your performance by clicking on the wrench icon. Now, most companies evaluate performance for the current year, but you should double check with your management to see what time frame they are monitoring you. Next, you will want to look at how many issues you have reported and how many times you have logged on. You can compare these numbers against the company average for the given time frame. Additionally, your safety performance for logins and reporting will be evaluated based on a threshold that management sets. In other words, they will set a minimum requirement for how many yearly logins and reported issues are required to meet performance. If you don't meet the threshold, your number will be red. The My Safety Score dial shows your safety performance score. It takes into account whether or not you meet the login and reporting threshold, as well as the safety performance tiles below. These tiles are configured by management, so you may see a different number of tiles in your module than what is shown on the screen. These tiles cover the core aspects of a safety program: how many mandatory trainings you completed on time, your meeting attendance, how many corrective actions that you have completed on time, how many messages you acknowledged on time in the message board module, and if you're a department head, you will see on-time issue completion as well. Tiles in blue indicate that you are not receiving full performance points. Now let's look at a brief excerpt from the Employee Performance Monitoring Management video to see how the My Safety Score dial is calculated. The My Safety Score calculates performance like this. Reaching the reported issues and login thresholds are each worth 1 point. With reported issues and logins, you either receive each threshold's performance point or not. Below, each tile is worth 1 point. With a tile, you receive the percentage of the tile that you have completed. The total possible score on the dial reflects the logins and how many tiles are present. For example, the current user has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible points. He does not receive the point for reported issues. He receives the point for logins. On-time CPAs are 1 out of 1 for 1 point. Meeting attendance is 1 out of 3 for 0.33 points. Messages are 10 out of 10 for 1 point. And on-time training is 2 out of 3 for 0.67 points. As you can see, that total is reflected in their My Safety Score dial. If we were to remove any tiles, the total points possible also decreases accordingly. Beyond this, you can view any overdue corrective actions that have been assigned to you with links to those overdue items. You can see safety plans that management have created for you, and check that you have completed your yearly review of documents. If you have viewed duties, policies, and/or the org chart, a check mark will appear next to it. If not, you can simply click the item to view it, after which a check mark will appear. And finally, you can update your contact information or use this module to quickly submit an issue, view your reported issues, or review your assigned CPAs. You should now know why you should use this module, how to edit the time frame of your performance data, how to read various performance items and how the safety score is calculated, and how to see your safety plan as well as access any necessary documents to review. If you're a regular SMS user, you may also want to review the previous video to see how management configures this module. Thank you for watching.